Hello everyone, Zine with you, and today I'll show you how to buy on G2G. First, you should go and open your account and log in into your account. After logging in, you want to go and choose the item that you want to buy. So let's say that I'm searching for ChatGPT subscription. I'm going to search for ChatGPT. Then you want to choose the category of your item that you are looking for. So let's say that I'm searching for software and apps. Then it will show here all the subscriptions. You can have here some filters. You can click on lowest price and choose the lowest price for you. You can click on most recent. You can click on recommend. And here you have more and more filters like private, pro, plus, business, ChatGPT, etc. You can have here the region, which is global. You can have here the type of the account. Do you want a private account or a global account or shared account, whatever you want. Let's say shared account or private accounts, and let's check some boxes, then click on apply. Then I'm going to click on lowest price and see the lowest available price. Here you have 10 offers. You just have to click on this option. We have here 10 offers. Here it tells me that it can activate in my country, and the delivery method is auto delivery. The delivery speed is instant. Here you can find some of the description of the account itself or the product. You can click on view more and see more and more description. You can scroll down and see all the vendors or all the sellers that can provide you with this product. Here I have this seller, Kashimo_19. He has 97.81 successful delivery. He's a normal seller. You can click on the seller itself and see how many reviews does he have. He has actually 59 good reviews and 40 bad reviews in the last 90 days. So it's risky to buy from him. So I will get back. And now let's see another seller. Let's say this seller, for example, he has sold 464. And here you can also see the description of the product. Here you can type the amount, and here you can simply click on buy now. And here it tells you exactly what you should do. So you just have to check this box and click on buy now, and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.